In this video, I will guide you how to draw an 8-point star in MS Word. So you can draw multiple stars and fill the different colors like solid color, gradient color, and even you can fill a picture in that. So how you can do that? First, go to the insert in the ribbon, and in the illustrations group you will see that shapes. Click on that and just scroll down, and here you will see that stars and banners, and here you will see that 8 star point. Click on that, hold the shift key and drag the mouse to draw a star. It will give a perfect symmetrical star to you. Now right click and go to the format shape, and under the fill you need to click no fill, and here you can see that the inside color is gone. You can also change the color by here and select your preferred color. Increase the transparency or decrease the transparency as per your need. You can also increase the thickness of the star line. It's up to you. Now copy this star and Control V to paste it. Now you can fill the solid color star. Here you need to click on solid fill and pick the color of your choice. Now again copy and paste to make another star, and now this time check out gradient fill. First, in the preset gradients you need to select the first color, and here in the color you need to pick the other color. The second color you can mix and match by sliding this option. It's up to you and your choice. Another copy and paste, and now you can select option picture or texture fill. Click on insert, click on from a file and select the picture of your choice. I have here few pictures like this, so here you can see that. So in this way you can draw an 8-point star in MS Word. If you think this video helps you, please comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.